The Altair Material Data Center is a robust platform that's designed to help users manage, explore, and use different material data during that design and simulation process. And in this video, my goal is to show you how to access it and some of the extra benefits. So you'll start with going to your Altair One login, find the marketplace, and then choose Browse Marketplace. And from here, the marketplace acts as an app. So find the card, and you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner there's an option to launch. Now this main landing page for the Material Data Center gives you a few options of how you want to start your search. By application, by material selection, it doesn't really matter how you start, but you have the option to start that way. Now once you get in, the Material Data Center looks and feels a lot like Altair One. You can see your filters are over here on the left-hand side. You can filter the selections in a few ways by material type, by the manufacturer, or even what software you plan to be using the material in. Now, one of my favorite tools about the data center is this tool called the Advanced Search. And essentially what this means is that you can do searches and you can filter your materials based on the mechanical properties of the material. So let's say, for example, I want to find a material that has a yield strength of 600 megapascals or a tensile strength of 750 megapascals. And then you can see as I enter these values over here in my materials, it's reflecting all the materials that fit those main criteria. Another helpful tool, once I have these criteria set, I have a few materials that I actually want to explore a little deeper. I have a tool called Compare, which is up here at the top as well. And once I check those three materials, I can compare the different mechanical properties that are outside of the two that I set for my criteria. Now in here I can also check the plots for different potential applications like thermal conductivity or dynamic shear. Now, one of the big features when you use the premium version of the data center is the ability to download the CAE model for the tool that you're going to be using it in. So let's say I'm going to use this titanium material. When I click on the material, I can see the plots, I can see the stress strain plot, I can see the fatigue curve. I can also see the different properties, obviously, if I wanted to manually enter these. But again, the beauty is I can download this for the tool I'm going to use it in. I'm going to choose OptiStruct, I'm going to choose my units, and I'm just going to download the model here. Then in switching over to my HyperWorks tool, I'm just going to drag that FEM model. I'm going to just drop it on top of the model that I'm working in. I'm going to merge it with my existing model. Then you'll see the material pop up here over on the left-hand side. Then I can go back to my model browser. You can see that the curve has been added as well. So if I want to get a snapshot of that stress strain curve, I can get that at a glance. Now, I mentioned the premium version earlier. The free version will get you access to all of those materials, the ability to see those properties, and you can manually enter those into your tool of your choice. The premium version gets you access to the ability to see the plots, the stress strain curves, and more importantly, the ability to download that CE model for your software tool. Just makes that whole workflow so much easier. Well, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@trueinsight.io or our website, trueinsight.io. Thanks.